Yeah. So, nice to see you all again. You've seen this before. There's a lot of beating up and lots of jumping. And do you enjoy the whole process?
Yeah, for sure. I think, yeah, like you said, Tiger was, we did have a lot of action.
Yeah.
But this is a very different kind of action. It's once you get into the story and understand the story, then you understand the context of the action. So it was very different. Here we've shot in Lebanon for the film, which was amazing. I wanted to go back, and now Kabir said that apparently it's not really safe to go back. But
I don't think it was ever very safe, even when you were
we had
shooting.
a great time. I loved it.
I didn't tell them that at that time.
Now, there's this great connection that the both of you have as well also. You both go back to New York as well also. I remember one of your best performances on the big screen. So just, ye jo jodi hai aapki, just a little bit about that. What you like so much about him that you continue to go back to work with him?
He was one of the first people to really allow me to talk a lot, and he would listen quietly. So in New York, I remember I started talking just little bits, and he would be listening like this. And I'm like, wow, this is a man who likes to hear me talk. And then from that point on, he became my favorite person.
Thank you.
Katrina, my question is to you that we see you doing a lot of action in the film. So how was the preparations and how much were you comfortable doing such stunts?
The action in this film is very different to the kind of action I've done before in Dhoom or maybe even in Tiger, I think, because it's very integral to what they're doing without giving too much away of the story. It's not action to be it's not action for showing off or to be creating larger than life images. It's action which is integral and out of no other choice, I think. So it comes in real situations of kind of life or death, and it's something that everyone in the film who is part of is kind of fighting for something they truly believe in. So there was no rehearsals or such like that, but I think for me the funnest part, which I insisted on doing and I was glad I got to do, was to shoot that gun, the big one.
Okay, was there a point when you told Kabir, okay, I don't want to do this, or you were okay with whatever he said?
Was there a point I said I don't want to do this? I doubt it. Usually I'm the first one to be saying I want to do that and that and that and that. And whatever Saif is doing, I want to do that as well. So no, not, I don't think so.
कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Here कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Center here. Did you watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Did you see?
Yes, I think she got the question.
No, I was trying to look for you. I have to see who I'm talking to. No, I didn't see it yet, but I'm definitely going to see it between today and tomorrow.
Probably the only person who hasn't seen it in the country.
Saif is saying I'm the only person in the country who has not seen it yet. But I saw lots of bits and portions during the making of it. Kabir would show me every now and then he'd show me the little girl in the movie and say that she looks like you. So I saw lots of bits and pieces along the way, but the whole movie I'll see probably tomorrow.
So, but are you a very violent man in real life?
No,
The only time I've seen Kabir get violent was in road rage. When the driver cut us, that's the only time. Otherwise,
So
he's
this
a very
is not a
peace-loving.
mask.
No,
This is
he's
not
a
a
very peace-loving person. His expression is like this all the time. I've worked with him now in 3 films. It's always like that, except once. I saw him change his expression once. But that's a secret story.
This gentleman right next to you also is the wittiest, funniest, and he'd take your pants off without you knowing it
I hope not.
with jokes. with his wit, let's put it this way. So, yeah, and he's done those brilliant kind of films. So when you chat with him and when you work with him, what's Saif Ali Khan really like? Is he like that all the time?
He's very like you described him. He's a perfect gentleman. He's very smart. He's got lots of information. He actually also is a very good listener, which is also why I think we got along. I found another person to listen. And he has very interesting information on things outside of just the film industry and just our film. So he's a great person to talk to, and he's very interested in his work. So a lot of times, actually, we were just discussing what we saw the film about and what our take on the film.
You had been on the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan during the shoot of Aaj Ki Party. So was there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Kabir will explain to you the reason.
कबीर सर आपके सामने
1 second, this question has to be answered.
She would like to know why I was on the sets of Aaj Ki
She
Party.
should come to meet me. We had to discuss, in fact, things about Phantom. So since I was shooting there and I was busy there, we met in Yashraj and was speaking about Phantom.
Katrina, you know, we know that you don't like to talk about your personal life, but you know, there are rumors arrive that you got engaged with Ranbir. So how true is that?
I'm glad you asked that because I'm definitely not engaged, and I know you guys are so sweet, and you seem to want me to get married, but there's no such plans now. So please bear with me being not married for some more time.
Katrina,
Wonderful, that's
note, Katrina, you know, in an interview also
Note.
said that she gets along really well with you, and she really praised you and said you're a really great human being, and also you make a great couple with Ranbir, and she thinks you are good for him. Any comments on that?
My brain's not working. On the topic of Karina, she's really, she's one of, not few, I mean, I get along with most people, but she's one of the people who I do have a very special connection with. I think she's beautiful, she's talented, but she's also very easygoing, and she's very straight up, she's very honest, she says what she feels, and she's a wonderful person, and I wish I get to see her more often. We were supposed to come to your house. What happened?
Yeah, you must. And I think Katrina is one of the most lovely girls I've worked with.
Everyone's
and I
lovely.
would be
We're
lucky
all
to
happy.
have her as a, girlfriend, fiance, or in the future, something more.